Students, our today's topic is chapter 6 patterns. But first of all, we should know that what is this pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Let's make it more simpler to you. Have you ever seen your shirt? On your shirt, there is some patterns. Also on your t-shirt as well. Now look at this t-shirt. It has a pattern of blue strip, white strip, blue strip, white strip, blue, white. Now you can see they are following a pattern. Pehle blue, then white, blue, then white, blue, then white. Also, you must have seen your mama's sari, and on that sari you have seen some patterns. Like in this picture, you can see that they have followed a pattern. Look at these square shapes and these flower design. They have made it in a form of pattern, means they are following it again and again. Also, when we talk about pattern, you must have seen some tiles at your home, whether it's in the kitchen or in the bathroom or in your bedroom. See, they have followed a pattern. Look at this ship and then this lighthouse. Let's take some more examples. You can see this bracelet. In this bracelet, there is a square shape, circle, and then triangle. Similarly, again they have followed one square, then circle, and then again a triangle. And then again they have followed the same pattern, that is square, circle, and triangle. This is called a pattern. Mean जब भी कोई image, shapes, figures, objects बार बार repeat होते हैं, वो भी in the same order, so they are called patterns. Now let's learn about different types of patterns. There are two types of patterns, that is number or alphabet patterns, and second we have figure patterns. So now let's learn about this number or alphabet patterns. Under this number or alphabet patterns, what are these? First we have increasing and then we have a decreasing. Okay, now look at this. When we talk about numbers, definitely it means about digits that we have 1 to infinity. So here you can see the patterns formed from the numbers in increasing order. For example, you can see here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now you can see they have followed a pattern, means 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 15, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70. See, you have added 10 in each number. So they have get another number. Okay, have you understood what they have done? They have added 10 number in the previous one and they have got the next number. Very good. So the rule to go from one number to the next number is add 10. Okay, one more. Let's take one more example. They have taken the example of number pattern. Okay, and now we are taking the example of alphabet. We all know that we have 26 alphabets in English. So they have taken C, F, I, L, O, R. Now students, you all know the alphabets we have 26, and though all those alphabets are in a sequence, means we have alphabets from A to Z and they all are arranged in a sequence, means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I cannot write B at first. They all are in a proper sequence. Okay, so now the question was C, F, I, L, O, R, and what they have done, they have written C and after that they have added 3, means after C, D, E, F. देखो थर्ड नंबर पे क्या आया है? F. ऐसे ही अगर F के बाद हम 3 लेटर्स काउंट करेंगे, मीन्स जंप करेंगे, so what we will get? F, G, I. और similarly if I के बाद हम 3 लेटर्स जंप करेंगे, so what we will get? J, K, L. Yes, we will get L letter. And now again after L we will get O, and by adding 3 in O we will get R. So this was the alphabet patterns of increasing order. Now next we have decreasing number or alphabet patterns. When the patterns formed from the numbers in decreasing order. Now students, look at this example 50, 40, 30. Now you can see that we are decreasing by 10 here. See, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Similarly, 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. So the rule to go from one number to the next number is subtract 10. Now decreasing alphabet pattern. Let's take an example. P, N, L, J, K. Now you can see that I have taken these alphabets in decreasing order. One letter we have decreased and then we got our answer, that is N. Similarly, we have skipped M so that we can get L. So the rule they are following is alphabets are decreased by 1. Now second we have figure patterns. Figure patterns. Under this figure pattern we have repeated figure pattern and then we have growing figure pattern. Let's see repeated figure pattern. The pattern formed from the figures repeated over and over again. Look at these figures. Figures means it can be shapes, any image or any object. Okay, so let's see an example. Here you can see one circle, again circle, then square, then circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square. They have followed a pattern. Okay, so the pattern repeats itself after 3 figures. Okay, let's take one more example. You can see here one triangle and the arrow is upward, then second triangle and the arrow is right hand side, and then again one arrow is there in this triangle and the arrow says left hand side, then again upward, right side, and now what will come? Yes, the triangle will come in which the arrow will be left hand side. Now next we have growing figure patterns. The pattern formed from the figures in growing manner. See, look at this example. You can see here they are trying to make a flower and they have followed some steps. How? Look here. First they made a circle, then first petal, 2 petals, 3 petals, 4 petals, 5 petals, and then they have made 6 petals, and with the help of 6 petals they have made a flower. Yes or no? So you can see that this is a growing. Pehle 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The pattern is growing. So the rule is petals of flowers increased by 1. Let's take one more example. Pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. Now look at here. First of all they have square, then they have a kite shape. Now first square, 2 kite shape, square, 3 kite shape. Now what will happen? What will come here? 1 square and 4 kite shape. So I hope student that you have learned about patterns. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.